Finger family.
The Resurrection. After 3 days had passed, Mary Magdalene, one of the disciples, visited Jesus' tomb. To her dismay, the tomb was open, and the body of Jesus was missing. As she began to weep at her loss, a shining angel appeared. "You should not be unhappy," it said. "You should be glad because Jesus has risen from the dead." Then a voice called to her, and a man stood before her. At first she did not recognize him. Then, to her great amazement and joy, her eyes were opened and she saw that it was Jesus. Full of awe and wonder, she hurried into town to tell the other disciples. Although Jesus had told them that the Son of God must die and rise again, they had not truly believed it.
If you like the video,
subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.